Want to create a WhatsApp group but not sure where to start? Don't worry, you're just a few taps away. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up your own WhatsApp group in the simplest way possible. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three-dot menu at the top right and choose New Group. Select Group Members. Then tap the arrow icon to move ahead and type the name you want for your group. Once you're done, tap the tick mark icon to create it. Now tap on the group name at the top. Then tap the Group People icon to set a profile picture. Allow the permissions if your phone asks. Choose Gallery, pick an image, and adjust the size the way you like. If you prefer using an emoji instead of a photo, tap the Group People icon again. Open Emoji and Sticker. Select any emoji you want and tap the tick mark icon to save it. Next, open Group Permissions, where you can decide who can send messages, edit info, and manage the group settings. And that's it. Your WhatsApp group is now fully created and customized. Short outro, thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. See you in the next one.